Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can enable always translate post on TikTok. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and then log into your account. Here you want to turn on always translate post. So whenever you comes in your profile, you will see on the top right corner three lines. Click on that and then go to settings and privacy, and there you will see the settings and privacy panel. You have to simply scroll down until you see this language option in content and display. Click on language and then you will come in this page. You have to simply turn this toggle on, like you will see beside the always translate post. So you have to simply click on that and turn this toggle on, and whenever you see any post in other language or like descriptions in other language or titles in other language, this will translate you in your language, like translate into English. You will see over there English, and that's it. That's how you can turn on always translate post on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.